Hello again for another cigar unboxing video. This time I got it from Mike's Cigars. That's about 12 blocks away from me. Let's get to it. How do you unbox? That's the question. How the hell? Jeez. Ah, here we go. Look at this. What do we got here? Ooh, look at this. Beautiful boxing. Montecristo Espada Estoque. That's Spanish for sword. Vintage 2002. The actual box looks something like... Ooh, look at that. What a pretty box, eh? And we have, ooh, look at this. Very fancy. I usually don't judge a book by its cover, but this one you can. I've had these before, I think. I'm not sure. Look at that pretty packaging. Alright, let's do an initial taste test. Pepper initially. Pepper and vanilla. Quite a combination. Absolutely spectacular. Sweetie, do you want to try?
Sure. Here we go. Taste test. Cedar and red wine.
Okay.
Hints of.
Soupçon. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. Keep smoking. Until next time.